What's up guys, back at it again with this Cadillac Escalade V edition. As you can see, we are currently working on the rear quarter panel, getting all that moisture from underneath the film, slowly squeegeeing it, tacking it into place, nice and smooth, just like that. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, follow us, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM us and we'll get straight to you. Stay tuned for this transformation.